This is my skin a year ago. This is my skin today. I have been using this product for a few weeks now and it has really saved my skin. This product has reduced my acne scars and has also made my skin so hydrated. It's literally my best friend. And get this serum in between my hands and put it all over my skin. And I do this every single day. I damaged my skin barrier completely by using way too many products. And now I've finally strengthened it back up with just this one product. The ingredients are so hydrating. I know people may think it's got snail mucin in and they might get a bit scared, but this has literally saved my skin. It's from a brand called COSRX and it's the Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It has completely transformed my skin and I finally feel confident enough to leave the house without makeup on. If I was to recommend any product, it would definitely be this one for acne scars, strengthening up your skin barrier and also hydrating.